Prince James. I think it might be Hell. They play an intro riff, but the sound is a clean uh, single coil sound with a lot of reverb on it. Like, not crazy amounts of reverb, but just quite a bit of reverb. That's the main riff. But there's a little intro. It's just that single note line. I think they're playing it, the first one on the A string. So we're starting A string, second fret. Go 4 1 2 2 4 4 1 2 2 4 4 1. Those are the chords that go along with it. The first chord is when they start playing the verse is that's the E major 7. So we're playing E major 7, but we're playing it this easy way where we're barring at the 4th fret across the top 3 strings, and then optional you can catch the root note on the 2nd fret. All right, because we got E here. Then at the 2nd fret, if we play that note, that's an E. Then we just take this same shape and slide it to 4 4. That's the 2nd chord. And the 3rd chord is this is a B flat minor. I'm playing it at the 1st fret with just a little stair step shape on the top 3 steps, or top 3 strings. And then at some point in the song, they switch up the rhythm, like as they get towards the guitar solo, but it's still the same chords. All right, there it's still the same chord. They just mix up the rhythm a little. And then towards the middle of the song, you have a and then they go into guitar solo. This is well, I guess we could think of this as B flat minor. So 6th fret, we're playing like you can play the minor pentatonic shape, and then they go to this little extension box. Some people call that the BB box. It also is a home bass shape. Playing that on the 9 and 11. Then they go up to 13. Okay, you have a B flat right here. And And this is a nice song for connecting shapes, because they're starting out with the E string root scale, and then they slide into the A string root scale at 13. This is B minor, which is the scale starts here on the 5th string. Okay, and the guitar that plays the solo has like a little more drive on it. Just not as clean. It's just a little bit dirty. All right, that was a great request, because this is accessible to play for people like beginner to intermediate can play this song. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.